The RXs are out. About to go do my first ever hooker. Jacob's a veteran.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Made it to put in. This is my first time down. I think the flow's like 53, which should be mean. Yeah, I'm not nervous at all. It's been a long time coming though. Let's go. Woo. First one finished. Jacob plugged it, I overboofed it and had to paddle out of an eddy on my first one, but successful overall. Woo! Lots of water on the lens as well. I forgot to get off it, it's chill. Still nervous for the next one, but yeah, let's go. Lap number 2. Number 2 done, and my bung is undone. Jacob just pointed out. That was stupid. I haven't figured out the wear or pencil sharpener really yet, but the actual lip feels sick. I think I'm still too nervous in the top half to actually think about what I'm doing. We'll go for a third and see if we can clean it up a little bit. Just finished up with a third one, then filmed some of the boys go off. Third one was a bit dusty, kind of air stroked a bit more than I would have liked to. That's chill. Yeah, hook is sick.